Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick fun practice in drawing a hand grasping a ball. So something like this. When we're talking about a ball, we are looking at perhaps a stress ball. So to begin, we will first roughly put down a circle. The way to go about that is that you do not this is only practice, so you do not need a perfect circle, but you could later on, once you put down the sketch, you could go on and refine it and make it more round. Now the way to draw that, just go around like that, moving the entire hand as we go, so you'll get a decent enough circle. So then the hand is now supposed to go on top, so we'll just put in a set of lines. So lines going like this, an oval right here, another oval round about here, a line and a line like this, and then two lines slightly curved there and a line like this. So let us review this one more time. So the circle, line, line, oval, oval, two lines, another line. So that is, as you've guessed, like those are the fingers that are going to be grasping the ball. And now loosely around this, we are going to put in the ball. So now keep in mind that the ball, if it's a solid object, for sure it's going to come above the hand, except for perhaps a crease or two. And of course the tip of the fingers will definitely go over the ball, and then the middle finger should be somewhere around there. Yeah, so go to around this oval here, and we'll try to work in the thumb. That should actually just about do it. And then we add some skin folds and some lines there that define the anatomy of the hand. Thumbnail, again the lines. You could fix the ball around there and make it a little rounder. Thumbnail, the middle fingernail, the index fingernail, lines again, which we call skin folds, and that should be it. Now to enhance the image, let us say that you're holding the ball and the light is coming in from this particular source. So in this case, there would be a shadow that's falling, not necessarily at the half point, but round about here. So this is just to achieve an additional effect. So we put in a little bit of shadow right there. I'm just loosely putting it in right now, and of course under the tips there will be a little bit of shadow right around there, and of course the going to use this pencil here quickly. The hand itself, the wondrous thing that it is, will have its own shadows and or fills or inks, if you will. So just see wherever there's a bend, wherever a certain crease is covered by another against the source of light, there will be a cast shadow, or if you will, some sort of inking. So I would just recommend some very basic crosshatch to fill out those portions. I'm just smudging them out just to make it a little more smooth all over. Yep, and we are almost done. And then for just a wee little touch of some intertwining shade, I'm going to experiment here to see if that works. Not necessarily, that is not accurate, so we are going to take that shadow off. That is it. I was exploring this take in case if there's a light that is like so and there's a light source from above. In that case, if you hold an object and you experiment with it, you'll be able to determine your own light source. But till now, this is it. Hand grasping a ball. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.